Alright guys, so today we're going to be talking about an alternative way to buy Bitcoin on Cashapp and then send that Bitcoin to your DEXs like Kucoin, Bitmart, etc. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so as soon as we open up the app, we're going to look at the bottom right hand corner and it's going to show us that Bitcoin symbol. So we're going to go ahead and tap that Bitcoin symbol and it's going to open us up to the part of the app where we can actually buy and sell Bitcoin. So when you guys first get in here, all you're going to be able to do is buy Bitcoin. Now once you buy it, you're going to have the option to sell it, obviously. And then you're going to have to go in there and verify your identity before you can send it out to anywhere else. So make sure you do that, and then yours is going to look just like mine after you have bought Bitcoin and after you have verified your identity. Now let's go to the next part. Alright guys, now that is out of the way, we're going to go ahead and hit the buy button. We're going to go ahead and put a small amount, so go ahead and hit the 3 dotted lines, and then we're just going to put in $5 to show you guys how to do it. Hit next, and then we're going to wait, and then this is where we're going to put in our PIN code that you previously set up. Obviously, I'm not going to show it on camera, and then hit confirm, and then you have just bought $5 worth of Bitcoin, and hit done. And just like that, we are the proud owners of some Bitcoin. So now once you've verified your account, we're going to go ahead and hit that arrow button so that we can send it to wherever we're sending it to. And from here, we're just going to put in that $5 or whatever amount you put in there. We're going to put that in the dollar amount, and then we're going to go ahead and type send. From here, we're going to open up our DEX app. In this case, we're using Kucoin. We're going to look in the bottom right-hand corner, and you're going to see assets. Go ahead and type that. Make sure you're in the main and hit deposit. Simply find the Bitcoin and copy the address right here. We are going to jump right back into the Cashapp app, and then we're going to paste that there. We're going to go ahead and verify it by clicking it again, hit send, put in our confirm cash, and just like that, you now have sent Bitcoin to your DEX. Now it's just the waiting game that everybody gets into, but this is how to do it. So guys, this is how you use Cashapp as an alternative way to fund your DEX accounts. And one of the crazy things about this method is there's nothing really saying that you didn't use this method to pay for goods and services. That's all I'm going to say about that. But as always, guys, if you liked this video, if you like my content, please make sure you like and subscribe. If you guys have any other questions or comments, make sure you type them below. And let's keep doing this together. Thanks, guys.